Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable product schema for Shopify with Schema App. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable product schema for your Shopify store with Schema App, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the Apps section, search for and select Schema App. If you don't have Schema App installed, visit the Shopify App Store to download and install it. After installation, open the Schema app from your apps list. Once the app is open, click on the Create New Schema button. In the Types of Schema options, select Product from the drop-down menu. You will now see a form where you can enter details about your product. Fill in the required fields, such as product name, description, and price. Make sure to provide accurate information for each field to optimize your schema markup. Next, upload high-quality images of your product in the Image section. You can add multiple images to showcase different angles and features. Once all required fields are filled, scroll down to adjust any optional settings. These optional settings can enhance your schema but are not mandatory for basic functionality. After reviewing all the details, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This action will generate the schema markup for your product. Next, ensure that the script is correctly added to your Shopify theme. To do this, navigate to the Online Store section in your Shopify admin. Select Themes and then click on Actions next to your current theme. Choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, locate the theme.liquid file. Open this file and find the closing /head tag. Just before this tag, paste the schema markup generated by Schema App. Once added, click the Save button to apply the changes. Go back to your store and check if the schema is working correctly. You can use Google's structured data testing tool to validate your schema markup. Input your store's URL to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you see any errors, return to the Schema app to make necessary adjustments. Recheck using the testing tool until you achieve a clean result. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.